most of my research is on these plant pathogens. But there's an animal pathogen that's present in Florida called Pythium insidiosum that is interesting and unusual because it's closely related to plant pathogens. So we started studying that pathogen, and it causes this disease called pythiosis that can be deadly in dogs and horses. And so our first question was, how common is it in the environment? The first thing we did was go out and sample ponds on the University of Florida campus to see if we could find it using methods that they've used in Thailand, where it's also a human pathogen. And we found it right away. And what it does is it often infects the skin. So it causes lesions in the skin. So what we do is we collect water and then we bait it. So we're using the fact that the pathogen is attracted to animal hosts to fish it out of the water. And we put hair in the water, and then the spores swim to the hair and stick onto the hair. And then we pull out the hair and put it on growth media that selects for the pathogen, because we have antibiotics and antifungals in there. So the only thing that's really going to survive are these types of species that this group that this pathogen is part of. So on the growth media, then the pathogen will start growing, and we'll get a culture that we can use to identify that the pathogen is present in that water and do more studies with it. So after working on this pathogen and seeing that it's really common in the environment, we don't know why some animals get sick and some don't.